made by elves. Yeah, cupcakes, magical fairies. Cupcakes, I could eat them all by myself. Cupcakes, but I should be sharing. Cupcakes, not so nutritious. Yeah, cupcakes, so delicious. Cupcakes, tiny, teensy. Cupcake, little weensy. Cupcakes, talking, sprinkles, frosting. Everything about a cake that I love, shrunk down to the size of a cup. Tiny creation for a little celebration. What you're seeing's not a mistake. It's a cupcake.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad. Got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is
paglamig ng hangin, hatid ng Pasko na nananaliwa sa'king gunita. Ang mga nagdaan nating Pasko, ang Noche Buena sa gabi. Narito na ang Pasko, at nangungulila ang puso ko. Hanap-hanap, pinapangarap, init ng pagsasalong, tigib ng tuwa ng mag-anak na nagtiwang sa sapsaban ng unang Pasko. pag-awit muli ng himig Pasko, nagliliyab sa paghanga. Makasalo kayo sa gabi ng Pasko, sa alaalay magkasama tayo. Narito na ang Pasko at namumulila ang puso ko. Hanap-hanap, pinapangarap, init ng pagsasalong, tigib ng tuwa ng mag-anak na nagdiwang sa sapsaban nung unang Pasko. Narito na ang Pasko at nangungulila ang puso ko. Hanap-hanap, pinapangarap, init ng
the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said we don't need to play with them like us. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said we will need to play with the light just eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a